Social Security could be cut by 22%. Millions may not know what's coming. In just 6 years, your Social Security check could shrink by 22% automatically with zero warning, and most Americans have absolutely no idea this is already logged in. Stay with me, this affects you, your parent, your retirement. The breaking news, this is not a rumor. The 2026 Social Security Trusted Report released just days ago project that the trust fund will be duplicated by 2032, triggering an automatic cut by 22% for every receipts unless Congress act. And it gets worse. The Congressional Budget Office put the cut even higher at 28% using that same 2032 depletion date. Who gets hit? This automatic cut hits every single receipts, retirees, survivors, disabled Americans, all of them across the board. And the dollar hit is real. For someone collecting around $42,000 a month, near the maximum benefit, that's roughly $108 less every single month. Why this is happening now? Three forces are colliding at once. First, favor workers paying in. Declining immigration means fewer workers are paying into the program, weakening Social Security finance. Second, fewer babies being born. The projected fertility rate dropped to just 1.7 births per woman, down from 1.9 last year, signaling fewer future workers to support the system. Third, a new law added billion in cost. The One Big Beautiful Bill Act expanded senior tax provision, reduced income revenue, and the 2025 Social Security Fairness Act extended benefit to about 3 million former public sector workers, adding nearly $200 billion in new obligation over a decade. The countdown is real. The projected shortfall will hit during the term of center elected this November, forcing the 2026 class to confront the program's deepest financing challenge in 4 decades. In fact, 95% of voters believe it's important to elect lawmakers committed to strengthening Social Security. Could Congress save it? It's happened before 1983. Social Security was literally months away from being unable to pay full benefit, and Congress passed a last-minute reform package that raised taxes and increased the full retirement age. The tool to fix it still exists. Options include raising the payroll tax wage a cap currently 184k US dollars in 2026. Lifting the payroll tax rate, pushing the full retirement age higher means testing benefit or changing the cost of living adjustment formula. What you should be do right now, whether Congress act or not, you need a plan B. Here what to consider today. Check your social security statement at ssa.gov. Know your projected benefit. Don't rely on social security as your only income diversely into IRA 40k or other savings. Consider delaying your claim every year you wait past 60 to increase your benefit up to 8% per year. Talk to a financial advisor about building a social security gap buffer in your requirement plan. I hope you understand. If this video for helpful, please subscribe the channel. Meet next video. Bye bye.